Welcome to the analysis overview for the hEDGE app. And this, along with backtesting, are really the heart of what it is that we're trying to offer. So I can see Microsoft is my currently active symbol. And if you remember back from the chain tutorial, we had a strangle on in Microsoft, and you can see that reflected here. So this gold line represents my P&L at expiration. If I were to hold this all the way out until expiration, and the price you can look up on the x-axis here. So if, for example, the price was at $225.92, I can just follow this dotted line up and see that my P&L at expiration would be $464. And that's reflected over in this blue box here. I can hover my mouse from left to right and see what that would be for any price. Now the blue line represents my P&L at some point between now and expiration. And that point is represented by this slider here. So I can take the slider and start to drag it, and I'll see that blue line change. Now at expiration, they are identical, but at some point between now and expiration, I can see what my profit or loss would be. And I can check, for example, maybe I care about delta. I can check this checkbox that says delta here, and that line changes along with all of the other ones. Now when you come down here, there are two radio buttons, slide by date and slide by price. So right now we can see any price along the x-axis, and the date is currently, as I said, controlled by this slider. If we wanted to inverse those two relationships, I could click slide by price. Now the price is controlled by the slider, and we can see my P&L on the day, my delta, or my theta, for example, on every date between now and expiration. It's changing the relationship between the x-axis and the slider. So that's about it for this version of analysis. We'll get into statistics view in a different tutorial. As always, you can find tutorials for all of our other features of our app, either on the website or the YouTube page. And thanks for watching.